Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. So in today's art tutorial, I will be sharing you how to create abstract landscape with watercolor only with three basic colors, black, white and blue. You will be learning how to paint clouds and oceans in easy way. So let's start. So for creating this art piece, you will need cobalt blue, Chinese white and ivory black. So first of all, you have to wet the surface. Dip your brush in water and just wet the surface. Then you have to take some paint. I am taking cobalt blue in the brush with lots of water. So it's wet on wet technique, and see, I am making here the clouds and the colors are spreading on the sheet, so it will give the natural effect of the cloud. Now I will be creating ocean only using this cobalt blue. And now as you can see, I am adding here black and a grey color with mixing white and black together. To give the effects in the clouds. So here I am giving the shading with white with flat brush. In the clouds and in ocean as well. It's a very easy technique to paint this abstract art with only three basic colors. See, the formation of clouds is now visible in this art. See how the colors are moving and it gives the look of the cloud. Now I am dividing the part of cloud and sea with the line, and see, now you can see the difference that there is a cloud above the horizon and below is the sea. Now you have to do the shading with cobalt blue with the flat brush in the ocean. See how I am making the reflection using the white and cobalt blue and moving the brush in horizontal direction. Now I am using this round brush, see, to create the clouds. To give it some more dramatic look. For creating clouds, you can always use round brush. Now I am adding a white. That you have to decide if you want to add more white, more black. It depends on you. You have to judge while painting what color you need. So if you think, see, I'm making a small boat here with very thin brush. Just take any color you want, red, black, blue, any color, and just paint directly without taking any water in your brush. Now just giving us effect in the sea, effect of the waves with thin brush. When you will paint, it's automatically will be in your subconscious mind when you will practice, and you can judge it which color you want at what time. Is it final or is it incomplete? You need to improve something else. It totally depends on the artist mood. The creator had to decide whether the painting is complete or you have to improve it little more. So for me, I think now it's completed and it's looking very beautiful. So now comes the revealing part. See how beautifully this painting has come out, and so easily. So guys, please subscribe my channel, like, share. Thanks for watching.